AWeber and ConvertKit are both amazing email marketing software tools. Today we're putting them head to head. We want to find out which one is actually better. Alright, we're jumping into AWeber now, and AWeber is powerful, it is focused, and we're going to get into exactly what they do. So, if you have a small business, alright, it is fantastic. They offer email marketing as well as great automations. So you can generate high converting emails, subject lines, newsletters in your own brand voice instantly, saving hours of actual writing time and thinking. You can see a visual workflow builder which enables seamless email sequences like welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and sales funnels. And then they have a built-in landing page builder and sign-up form capture that converts visitors into subscribers. And they are rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with an extensive educational resource and expert guidance community to help you succeed. If you are an entrepreneur, a blogger, a coach, or a small e-commerce business, including Etsy sellers who want to grow audiences and boost sales, AWeber is perfect for you. It's an all-in-one platform, so it does come with more than 750 integrations with sites like Shopify, PayPal, Facebook, Zapier, and they have advanced segmentation and purchase-based tagging, reliable deliverability that ensures your inbox placement. Now, their competitive edge and their marketing position. They start with their light plan from $15 a month for up to 500 subscribers with essential features and e-commerce tools. Their plus plan comes in at $30 a month. It unlocks unlimited automations, landing pages, and users, ideal for any business that is scaling. Now, these prices are subject to your region, so make sure that you just double check that on their official website. Their competitive strengths include 27 years of innovation, their AI-driven speed, visual insights, and shareable workflows, which is amazing. They've got a 4.4 user rating in email marketing software, and 70% of their users are businesses with 1 to 10 employees. So these are super small businesses, and yet they're using this software. If you have a small business, a small operation, something basic, simple, AWeber is a good choice. Alright, so jumping straight into ConvertKit now, we're having a look at their intuitive design. And this is something that really stands out. You can build email sequences with a visual automation builder that feels more natural and requires no coding experience at all. Then we have a platform that is trusted by top creators. So you can join some of these top creators such as James Clear, Ali Abdal, and Anna-Laura Lecanf, who rely on ConvertKit on a daily basis. They also have a very generous free plan which allows you to start with up to 10,000 subscribers, unlimited emails, and unlimited forms. And this is all completely free. Over here, you can see why creators actually choose ConvertKit. Well, first of all, ConvertKit users consistently report impressive results, steady list growth, averaging more than 10,000 new subscribers annually, multiple revenue streams from digital products and paid newsletters, and a lot more time freed up to focus on their content creation instead of marketing complexities. Now, this is a fine example of using software that makes your life easier. It's easy to use and it saves you time or money. You can also build stunning landing pages, customizable opt-in forms, and user subscriber tagging for precise targeting. You can create automated email sequences and personalized subscriber journeys that run on autopilot. You're also able to sell digital products, manage your subscriptions, and run paid newsletters directly within the platform. You can also access fast customer support, extensive tutorials, and a comprehensive video training resource bank that has got everything that you need to get started and continue to learn. And there we go, folks. Communication is key in business. If you're using the right email marketing software, you have a higher chance of converting. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.